Hello everyone and welcome back to Microsoft Excel. Today I'll be demonstrating how to create a simple pivot table. Now I'm going to create a a very simple one, pivot table from this data I have here, which is based on election. Now I want to create a pivot table on the candidate's first name and last name and the total votes they receive. Now as I said, it's a pretty straightforward and simple one. So what I would do, I would go to step one, I go to insert, then right here, you see I click on pivot table. But for the persons who do not know what a pivot table is, as you realize, as I hover my mouse over the pivot table icon, just below, just below a description will appear and tell you what a pivot table is all about, which is basically they give you a summarized data, or to be more exact, let me review what is description that Microsoft had installed based on the description. It said summarize data using a pivot table. Pivot table, pivot table make it easy to arrange and summarize complicated data and drill down to details. So basically what it says is that let's say you have a complicated set of data, like a whole lot of data, and you basically want to summarize it for easy understanding. A pivot table is what you would use. And as I said, there can be more, technical or complex pivot table, but what I am giving you right now is a pretty simple and straightforward one for starter. Now, in doing so, as I mentioned before, I click on insert, then I go to pivot table. Now, here it's asking me for select a table or range. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click in this section here, and I'm going to highlight my entire table all the way down. And I am going to put my data. It gives you the option if you want to put the result of it on this existing sheet I have here, or I want to put it on a new sheet. I'm going to put it on a new sheet, and I'm going to click OK. Now over here, these are the feeds that I can choose from. And like I said to you before, I'm going to use the candidate's first name. You see it appears. You see as I click on it, as I select it, it appears as my row label. And I'm going to use my candidate's last name. And I'm going to use it if I want to use the total votes they receive. So there you go. So this is what will basically give us a summary of the candidate's name and the vote they receive. As I mentioned, a pretty straightforward pivot table. Okay, and at the end of it, it will give you the grand total of the overall votes coming all the way down. So that is it for creating a pivot table. See you next time.